Hello everyone. My name is Shashank Gupta, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Norm. Norm builds plant-based sustainable solution. So let's quickly see what is the core problem that Norm is trying to solve. We have identified that humans' food and beverage consumption behavior leads to more than 25% of overall carbon footprint that we generate. And also, more than 50% of single-use plastics are generated from our consumption behavior. Alternatives that exist in the market doesn't really support the shift in consumption behavior as they are not experience driven. So they're failing to solve for the core problem, which is adoption of sustainable solution as a habit. Now let's quickly look what are the existing problems that are caused by our unsustainable consumption behavior. So the biggest problem that we see which is caused is we generate huge waste, right? We generate more than 3 billion straws on daily basis, which is 300 crore straws, which are used and thrown on daily basis. Let's talk about carbon footprint. More than 25% of the carbon emissions that are generated every year are due to the human's unsustainable consumption behavior of food and beverages. This is just our food and beverage consumption behavior. There are a lot more to this, right? The third problem that is caused is that there are huge losses of life. Plastics are being eaten by animals, which die because of plastics once they eat it. Now, looking at the reasons, why are these problems being caused by humans' behavior? So the biggest reason that we foresee that we have discovered is that there is no user incentives for people. Once they use plastic straw, they don't have any other alternative to reuse it or recycle it. So that's why they throw it. The second bigger reason for this is poor user experience. So substandard alternatives kind of ruin the whole experience. So that's another bigger reason. And third is unavailability of affordable, sustainable solution. How does Norm, plan to solve these problems? We are building horizontal stack solution of sustainable solutions to enhance the food and consumption beverage experience. So in first draft, we have built plant-based snacks. The second category of solution that we are building is plant-based seafood. Under plant-based snacks, we have flavored edible drinking straws, edible spoon, forks, knives, cups, and so many other solutions. Now let's look what is our current status. So right now we have built flavored edible drinking straw. So use like a straw, eat like a snack. So it has almost 6 flavors. We have vanilla, strawberry, lemon, mint, coffee, chocolate. It doesn't get soggy. It never melts. It never dissolves. So almost works like a functional straw, but at the same time, it is a snack for your beverage as well. We have a very strong market validation. We have a monthly recurring revenue of rupees 2 lakhs, despite of COVID hitting the hospitality industry so adversely. We have domestic distribution, supply chain in 5 cities, and we already have done pilots in 5 countries. Our monthly sales volumes are 50,000 straws a month. Again, despite of COVID, we have good signed contracts from our exporters who have taken distribution rights in a couple of countries. As you can see from the image, this is our future product. We have spoon, we have fork, we have edible cups, and plant-based shrimp is something that is currently we are working on. Our business model is fairly simple. We are trying to empower HoReCa industry, which is hotels, restaurants, catering industry, to offer new experience to their consumer. It's purely B2B. We sell our straws and spoon to hotels like, say, Taj, Trident, restaurants, cafes, and they in turn sell the straws and spoon to their customers. It's a big business opportunities for HoReCa as well, where we ask them to upsell their straws. So a couple of cafes, sell the straws for a higher price value. So they are also, unlocking a revenue making opportunity via our product. Uh, this is a team that makes it happen. We are a team of 7 people right now full time, and a few of our consultants as well. As you can see from the screen, we have Simran, who is our co-founder and COO. We have Piyush, who is our new product development scientist. We have Suresh, who is our senior R&D consultant. Kalpesh is our operations guy who handles all the operations. Ronak, who has recently joined us and is from IIM and is currently handling all the sales and business development activities. Vanshika is again an MBA handling all the branding and strategy for us. This is really a testament to the fact that what we are building, we have been really big, high time capital efficient. Till date, our contribution has been $35,000, and within that contribution, we have built an MRR of $3,000. which is monthly run rate. We recently closed our first round of investment, $200,000. We project that our monthly burn is going to be this once we hit January 2021, which is from the point of view where we are going to go in a hyper growth mode of that point. We also got really are thankful for the government of India for a couple of government grants. So we recently got through RKVY, which is Rashtriya Krishi Yojana, and also Nidhi, where the total grant sum is around $40,000. We have a very healthy runway right now. So yeah. This is what we are up to these days. Currently, our edible straws is in the commercial phase where we are scaling up production to hit 2 million straws per month. We are setting up a supply chain in various key cities of India, getting the licenses to unlock our export markets, hiring across sales and marketing. For future products, we are working currently on ice cream spoons and plant-based shrimps. So this is the small bits and pieces of the current activities that is going in the R&D stages. Norm is creating a plant-based horizontal solution, as told earlier, and we want to shift the consumption behavior of human towards a sustainable future while giving them a sustainable solution and affordable as well at the same time, so that our consumption behavior shifts. And we want you to be the part of the journey. Thank you so much.